Hey, this is Anthony from Real Plans. This video shows you how to use the mobile version. I'll put a link at the end if you want to see a tutorial on the desktop version. When you signed up, we created a Plant-Based Whole30 plan for you that spans over 4.5 weekly meal plans. Each week contains a set of recipes, leftovers, and helpful notes to cheer you along the way. So, for example, on day 1, you cook this hash here, and then you eat it for breakfast on day 2 and 3. Now let's say you want to swap out the blueberry number here. You swipe it gone, then you click on the breakfast tag and find something you want to eat. Oh, this looks good. Let's add that. Click on the plus sign, schedule it, done. To get more recipe inspiration, click on the magnifying glass and here are all your plant-based Whole30 compatible recipes, so you really can't go wrong. These community favorites are top-rated recipes by other Whole30ers, so let's try out the curried lentils with kale. Now, I actually had this the other night and it was really good. Good for leftovers too. Anyhow, pick a side, then add it to the plan by dragging it to the right meal. You can then decide whether you want leftovers or just go back to the plan. I advise that you do. If you want to go totally custom and make up your own plan, just click on these 3 lines up here and click all the recipes for the week and do your own thing. Now, if you find yourself in hot water and want to reset the plan, click here, grab a template, and start over on a particular date. Anyhow, here's the shopping list. A list of all the ingredients for the recipes you've scheduled. So first you shop your own kitchen. For example, if you've got garlic, check it off. Then go to the store and check off stuff as you throw it in a cart. Or if you want everything delivered, click on delivery and pick a service. You can also do away with having to use your phone at all by printing the shopping list here. Open it up, then click this icon and print. You then come back from the shops and start cooking. Click on each recipe that you're unfamiliar with and see how to make it. There are more settings over here that you can dive into if you really want to go super custom, like adding more exclusions, plus you'll find your reintroduction settings after you're done with your plant-based Whole30. If you need further help, you visit our support section here or email our support staff who will get back to you within a few hours. We really do want to help you accomplish your plant-based Whole30. So that's it. Super easy recipe selection, organized shopping lists, delicious plant-based Whole30 meal plans. And once you're done with your Whole30, your Real Plan subscription comes with a simple meal planner so you can leverage your newfound freedom far into the future. Best of luck.